Hello guys! So today we have a new vlog for Sony. So dito tayo sa Sony guys. Okay? We have a new lenses from Sony guys. Actually, it's not a new. It's released I think a month ago. So yeah, if you saw already the Sigma lenses DN type, so this is the for Sony. Yes, we have the 3G lens from Sony. It's a compact type of Sony full frame 35mm lens. So yan, i-ano natin guys. We have the 24mm 2.8G. We have the 40mm f2.5G, and the last one guys is the 50mm 2.5G. So ayan, let's check the quality of these three lenses guys. Unbox, but diretso natin, huwag natin unbox because it's only a lens inside for sure. So we'll check the quality of the lens. We will compare all these lenses guys. So and I'll show you for what is purpose of this millimeter of this lens for each lens. Sorry. Again, the 24, 40, and 50. But again guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So, tara! Okay, so let's start unbox the 24mm. So, eto siya guys. Kita nyo, andito yung mga manual, sino mag-trip. To read the manuals, and yan, pag-tripan nyo guys. Again, you have already your very cute hood. Yan, so this is the 24mm. So, try natin and unbox ang 40mm and check the sizes, guys. Yan. Okay. Then, this is the di ka pa mahulog. Ang ating 40mm, guys. It's already with the hood. Yan, it's very nice hood. Pwede pa siyang baliktarin? No. So, ito ang ating 40mm na lens, which is the 2.5. Next is the 50mm 2.5. Yan. Same guys ng 40. Ito na yung hood niya. Nakadikit na kagad yung hood niya. Ito, ang kulit, di ba? Stylish hood. Diba? So, ayan guys, this is all the lenses that we have now. The 24, 40, and the 50G lens. Full frame G lens. So, let's start, try and test now all these lenses guys. And again guys, so let's test the three lenses. Now I have the 24mm and we have the subject, Palaboy of W. I will try to take a photo using the 2.8 and the 24mm guys. Ba't tayo mag-focus to? So focus ano eh? Touch focus mo din. Okay. Okay, so we have a test shot now guys, and I will show you comparison between the three lenses. Now we will check the 40mm. Okay, so now we have the 40mm f2.5. So we have the same settings, shutter to why 200. Okay, same settings with the 2.5 and ISO auto. So yan, check natin. Okay, so this is the 40mm guys. And now we will check the 50mm. And the last one is the 50mm 2.5. So if you notice guys, they have all same sizes with the lenses. So ito yung, this is the 40. Yan. Almost identical with the 50mm guys. The hood and everything. Even the size of the filter is similar. It's 49mm filter thread. Both of the 40 and the 50, and for the 24 is 49. Both same guys, 49mm filter thread. So yan. Now we will check and try the 50mm 2.5 with all same settings with siyempre ang ating model na si Palaboy FW. Okay. So ayan ang tatlong comparison. I'll show you the three comparison of the pictures from 24 to 40 and 50. So, ayan. Check naman natin. Kukuha pa tayo ng mga sample photos, outdoor o indoor. Check lang natin. So, tara. And back again guys to the vlog. Again, we already asked all our colleagues regarding for the 3 lenses. The 24, 2.8, the 40, and the 50 2.5 G lens. So they have their own prepared lens guys, because most of them, they do film or videos. So again, one is Palaboy for vlogging, and that 3 guys is also a filmmaker. So they do film or videos by their own. So yeah, that's why they prefer the 24mm, because this is a wide lens, and yeah, it's a 2.8 wide lens, so it's very it's perfect for videos. So yeah, it depends on what kind of videos you will do, but yeah, again, but if you are a portrait photographer and if you want to do more portraits, then I suggest you go for the 50 2.8 G lens. So again guys, in Sony we have also the 50 1.8 lens. The difference guys is this is the 2.5 and the aperturing is already in the lens. But the quality, maybe one day we'll show you the difference between the 50 1.8 and the 50 2.5. But again, we'll just try to check the 3 lenses and ask the opinion of our colleague. Next is the 40mm guys. So I think this is more into a 35 type of lens. So again, both of these lenses is a full frame lens. So this is good for street or street portrait or street, yeah, in the middle guys, because it's around 35. Actually, when we take photo for the 50 and 40, there is not too much difference. But again, ayun, it depends on your preferences guys. So if you want a little bit more wider than 50, then go for the 40mm. So and guys, both of these lenses is 49mm filter thread. So it's very suitable and it's very nice for your camera if you own Sony A7C, because this is the compact and full frame camera. So ayan, masyado siyang fit sa Sony nyo. It's good. For example, the 24, it's ideal for also for street photography. I like the 24 of lens. So ayan, ganyan siya ka-compact guys. And yeah, the aperture is already in the lens. So you have your aperture 2.5 until the automatic OA. So yan guys, I think that's it for today. Again, we have the 3 lenses guys, the 24, 40 and 50 G lens. So yeah, just try to visit all the showroom or Sony dealers, so at least you can check the lenses or test. So again guys, so that's it for today. Again, if you want to check the lens, you can visit us here in our showroom to test the lens. We have bunch of camera and lenses for testing or try. Again, we have the 24, 40 and the 50 here if you want to test the lens. So again, we're here in AAB World. If you want to know more about our products, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So ayan, para makita nyo lahat ng lenses that available from Sony. Yan, from Sony, not only the lens, camera, and all accessories from Sony. You can visit us to our website. Again, www.aabworld.com. So again guys, that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. Siyempre ang ating director, may hawak ng Ronin S, pero walang battery. Kaya naka-lock mode siya. Kung makita nyo medyo gano'n pag-gongo, alam nyo na yun. Wala kami Ronin, pero nakalagay siya sa Ronin. So, shoutout kay Brian Puntanar. At syempre, sa ating mga natanungan kanina, si Palaboy OFW, check nyo yung channel niya. Si Julius, si Ryan, at si Alpha, na taga Indonesia. So, again guys, thank you, Sony. Check nyo guys, Sony sa AAB World. So, yun nga, visit nyo rin pala ang aming mga showroom, which is the Igayla, Shamia at dito sa Symphony brand. So maraming salamat. Mabuhay. Hindi ba vlog? Kaya pasig auto-focus niya.